This is how to use the DIY buttons on your LED remote. Just start by clicking on the DIY button. It's white by default, which means red, blue, and green are turned all the way up. I like to start from black and work my way up to the color that I want. So just hold each arrow down until the light turns off. I imagine a color wheel when I'm picking a color. So the first color I'm going to show you is bright blue. So as you can see on this color wheel, the bright blue is between blue and green. So I just click the up arrows on blue and green until I get the bright blue color. Next, I want a dark pink, so I'm going to turn the light back down to black so I can start from scratch. On the color wheel, dark pink is between red and blue, so I click the up arrows on red and blue. Next, I want yellow, which is between green and red, so I click the up arrows on green and red. If you don't have a specific shade in mind, you can play around with all the arrows and adjust them until you get the cool color that you want. To keep the color saved, just click the same DIY button again and it'll store it for you. If you're watching this, you probably already have lights, but if you don't, you can get these lights on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you're interested. I'll also put the color wheel I used down there too in case you want to look at it on your own. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.